Hey everyone, and welcome back to Stellar Compass, where we navigate the wonders of the universe. Today, we're taking a scorching trip to a planet often called Earth's twin. Super shiny in our night sky, but Venus holds some really big, really hot secrets. From its strange backward spin to clouds made of something super scary, Venus is a cosmic mystery wrapped in a fiery blanket. And speaking of fiery, have you ever wondered why sending spaceships to Venus is such a super tricky mission, almost like trying to land in a giant pressure cooker? We'll uncover that surprising challenge and much more right now. Let's blast off. Fact 1: Venus spins the wrong way. First up, prepare to have your mind bent. Did you know that Venus spins in the opposite direction compared to almost every other planet in our solar system? While Earth spins counterclockwise, Venus spins clockwise. It's like a dancer on the cosmic stage twirling against the beat. Scientists aren't totally sure why. Maybe a giant space rock crashed into it a long, long time ago and gave it a big shove, flipping its spin. This backward spin makes Venus super unique among its planetary neighbors. Fact 2: A day on Venus is longer than its year. Speaking of its weird spin, here's another jaw-dropper. A single day on Venus lasts longer than its entire year. Can you imagine that? Venus takes about 243 Earth days to spin around just once, making a full Venusian day. But it only takes about 225 Earth days for Venus to orbit the Sun once, completing its year. So if you lived there, you'd celebrate your birthday before your first day was even over. Fact 3: It's the hottest planet, even hotter than Mercury. Even though Mercury is closest to the Sun, Venus holds the title for the hottest planet. Its average temperature is a scorching 872 degrees Fahrenheit, 467 degrees Celsius. Why so hot? Venus is wrapped in a super thick blanket of air, mostly carbon dioxide. This gas traps the sun's heat like a giant greenhouse effect gone wild. So hot it could melt lead or even some rocks, making it an incredibly fiery world. Fact 4: Its skies are filled with scary yellow clouds of acid. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing thick yellow clouds. Sounds cool, right? But on Venus, those clouds are made of sulfuric acid, the same stuff that's in car batteries. It even rains acid, though it usually evaporates before hitting the super hot ground. This thick, toxic sky helps trap all that heat, but it also means Venus is not a place you'd want to go for a picnic or even a quick visit. It's a truly hostile environment. Fact 5: Venus doesn't have a strong invisible shield like Earth. Earth has a powerful invisible shield called a magnetic field that protects us from harmful stuff from the sun. It's like our planet's superhero force field. But Venus doesn't have a strong one. Scientists think this is because Venus spins so slowly. Without that shield, the sun's powerful solar winds blast Venus's upper atmosphere, making it even more extreme and difficult for any kind of life as we know it to exist there. Fact 6: It's covered in thousands of old volcanoes, some might still be bubbling. Peeking through those thick clouds, scientists have found Venus is covered in thousands and thousands of volcanoes, more than any other planet in our solar system. Some are huge, stretching for hundreds of kilometers across its surface. While most seem old, there's a cosmic mystery about whether some are still active today. Scientists are looking for clues because if they are, it means Venus is still rumbling and changing, even in its superhot state. Fact 7: Venus is Earth's twin in size but totally different inside. Venus is almost the same size as Earth. It's about 7,520 miles, 12,104 kilometers across, just a little bit smaller than our planet. That's why scientists call it Earth's twin or sister planet. But don't let the size fool you. While Earth has oceans, plants, and life, Venus is a barren, volcanic, acid-covered furnace. It's a powerful reminder that even planets similar in size can have wildly different fates and conditions in our amazing solar system. Fact 8: It shines super brightly in our sky, sometimes called the morning star or evening star. Have you ever seen an incredibly bright star low in the sky just before sunrise or after sunset? Chances are you were looking at Venus. It's the second brightest object in our night sky after the moon. Because it's usually only visible around dawn or dusk, ancient people gave it special names like the morning star or evening star. It's like Venus is putting on a dazzling show just for us, right at the start or end of the day. Fact 9. Astrologically, Venus is all about love and beauty, but its backward spin might hint at tricky relationships. Now, let's look at Venus through the lens of astrology. In your birth chart, Venus is the planet of love, beauty, harmony, and what you find valuable. It rules how you connect with others and what brings you joy. Interestingly, Venus's actual backward spin in space sometimes connects to its astrological meaning when it's in retrograde from our view. Astrologically, a Venus retrograde can be a time to rethink relationships or discover what you truly value in love and beauty, sometimes bringing back old connections for a second look. Fact 10. Sending spaceships to Venus is super hard. They usually get crushed or melt. Finally, let's talk about space exploration. Sending a robot explorer to Venus is one of the toughest missions for scientists. The super hot temperatures and intense pressure on its surface, which is like being nearly a mile (1.6 kilometers) deep underwater on Earth, mean most probes don't last very long. The Soviet Union actually sent many probes to Venus called the Venera missions back in the 1960s and 70s. While some made it to the surface, they usually only survived for minutes or hours before the extreme heat and pressure destroyed them. It's a true testament to the power of Venus and the bravery of space engineers. What do you think is the wildest fact about Venus? And how do you feel Venus's energy influences your friendships or your love for beautiful things? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Stellar Compass for more intriguing insights into the world of space and astrology. Till next time, and remember, keep exploring the cosmos.